remember Christ who died for me. He died for this reason, that I might know that He cares for me and He loves me so. I'll hang on to my joy and my fears will subside as I remember I'm Christ's bride. Today is a new day, yesterday's gone. Faith is rising, I sing a new song. Hopeless, helpless, I'll never be, as I remember Christ who died for me.
Lovely. And that's by Aunt Gladness. Thank you, Aunt Gladness. Do you have another one? Do you have the I love you, Lord one?
Oh, yeah. I love you, Lord, I love you, Lord, oh yes I do. I love you, Lord, I love you, Lord, there's no one like you. You cause my thoughts to go high above the earth. What I thought was important now has little worth. There were times I felt my back against the wall, but where I soon will live, I'll have it all. You'll have it all. We'll have it all. I love you, Lord, I love you, Lord, oh yes I do. I love you, Lord, I love you, Lord, there is no one like you.
Amen. And tell me when your birthday is, please.
December
12/23/21.
12/23/1921. Thank you so much. We love you.